How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get big arms, no equipment for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So to gain inches on your arms, to get bigger arms, it really comes down to one thing, and that's your total body weight. Body weight is by far going to be the biggest thing when it comes to getting bigger arms, because your body weight is going to correlate with your arm size. You'll never see someone that is, say, 5'9", 135 with 22-inch arms. Impossible. You will never see it. If you see a guy 5'9", 230, 240, yeah, he might have 21, 22-inch arms. But again, it really comes down to body weight. Guys that you're looking at that have the big arms, you guys, they are usually pretty high in body weight. Me, for example, I'm sitting 5'9", 195 pounds. My arms are 17.5-inch cold flex. So if you look at my arms right now, if I put a tape measure around them, you guys, they are 17.5 inches. I actually just measured them the other day. Cold flexed, which just means no pump, no gym, nothing. You didn't do anything. Right now, just flexed like this, 17.5 inches. I'm sitting at 195, which is an average weight for me. I usually like to stick at between 190 to 200. Now, my arms have been 18.5 inches. That was when I was at 210 pounds. So for me, 5'9", 195, from 5'9" to 210. So that's a 15-pound increase. My arms gained an inch. And that's normally how it is for people. Usually 15 pounds of body weight usually correlates to about 1 inch of arm size. So if you're sitting here, your arms are small, they're sitting at 14 inches, maybe 15 inches. 15 inches isn't too bad for arm size. But 13, 14 inches, you want to get them bigger, add 30 pounds of body weight, add 45 pounds of body weight. Your arms will go up tremendously in size. The only thing is you got to do it slowly, you guys. I know people want results now, but your body can only synthesize so much protein in a day. So if you gain 30 pounds in a month, your body can actually only put on about 2 pounds of muscle in a month if you're a beginner. So if you're adding 30 pounds, 28 pounds is going to be fat. So you need to do this very, very slow. But trust me, if you do it correctly, your arms are going to get bigger. You guys, trust me on this. Another thing I want to talk about, no equipment. If you don't have equipment, then what I recommend to do is do lots of variations of push-ups. Push-ups are going to be the main thing for building up your tricep size. For biceps, I recommend going to a park or even a soccer field, anywhere where you can grab onto a bar and do a pull-up. Most parks should have monkey bars, or some even have pull-up stations where you can just, again, there's just a bar hanging there, you can do your pull-ups. Soccer fields, the net itself, the soccer pole, I've seen lots of people working out on those before, doing pull-ups. So that's what I recommend for the biceps. You can get big arms, you guys, without equipment. Equipment is not necessary. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.